I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Gravitec. Give here your site URL. Also, give here the app key and app secret key. So go to the Gravitec dashboard. Setting. REST API. Now copy the app key and app secret, then paste it on the integrations site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Go to the Gravitec site and navigate to the campaign history. Here, the notification data came into the campaign history successfully. Also, the browser notification showed me that I had successfully. Thanks for watching.